In last video, we have seen that how to import a single class from a package to another package. Here we are going to see how to import multiple classes. Like here, this is our package demo 15. Within this package, we are creating one class, and to this class, we are naming as K1, and it's not our main class. It's a package and it's our class K1. Now here within this class, I'm declaring integer A, B, and third variable is sum. Three variables we have declared of type integer. Now I'm creating a method, public void, and name of method is sum1. And here I'm assigning A equals to 10. So 10 is the value which is going to A. B equals to, here I'm giving it 60. And then sum equals to A plus B. Then we are going to print this sum. System.out.println, and here we can print message addition of A and B equals to within double quotes and concatenation sign. Then we have to print sum. Save it. Now this is our package demo 15 and class is K1. Now within same package I'm creating one more class, that is K11. So here new, and another class we are creating, name of that class is K11, K11, and it is also not our main class. That is within this package demo 15 we have two classes, K1 and K11. Now within this K11 I'm taking integer variable I, J, and third is multi. Here we are going to take input from user, so I'm using buffered reader, buffered reader br equals to new buffered reader new input stream reader system.in. Now as we have taken these, so we have to import input stream reader, and here buffered import java.io buffered reader. These packages we have imported, so all the errors are gone. Now here I'm creating one method, public void, and name of the method is multiplication, multiply we can give. And within this we are taking input of variables I and j from user. So we have given a message that we are going to take input of I and j from user. Now I equals to integer dot parse int, and then br dot read line. Similarly for j equals to, same thing we have to do. Here as we are not using a try and catch block for these input statements, so here we have to throw exception. So was IO exception. And for this, we have to import IO exception. Here we have got our IO exception package. Here we have put one extra bracket, so we are removing it. Right now all the errors are gone. Now here we have to multiply. Our variable is multi equals to, we have to multiply I with j, and then we have to print the value of this multi. Multiplication of I and j equals to plus then multi. So we have created two classes in our package demo 15, that is K1 and K11. Now we are in another package, that is demo 16, we are creating one more class, and that class is going to be our main class, and we'll be naming this class as K2, and this is our main class. Now within this main class, now here we can create the object of, we are creating the object of this K1 and K11. So K1, I have to check if K is capital or small. Both places we have capital. So K1, name of the object is OB1 equals to new K1. This is object for class K1. It is showing error, we'll remove it later. K11, yeah, equals to sign has come. OB2 equals to new K11. To call that multiply method, we have to do OB2 dot, name of method is multiply. But this thing is, we check the method name, multiply. Now here we have to put this in try and catch block. Try, because it was throwing exception, IO exception in K11. So here this is our try related to it, and catch, exception E. Then we have to close all the braces. Fine. So this way we can import our class. Both classes K1 and K11 both were in demo 15 package, so we have imported them separately. We can import them in one statement also. So first we'll try to run this program. Now here it is asking for value of I and j. Addition of A and B is 70, and enter the value of I and j. Here I am putting 12 and 20. So multiplication is 240. Now here we have put two statements to import classes which are in same package. If we don't want to put different statements, we can just write it like that. Import demo 15 dot asterisk. It is going to import all the classes which are in demo 15 package to this package. We don't need to mention them separately. If we don't want to import all the classes which belongs to demo 15, then we can write them separately. So if we run it like this, again it is showing addition of A and B is 70, and here it is asking value of I and j. Here I am giving it 10, and another is also 10. Multiplication of 10 and 10 is 100. So this way we can import multiple classes from a different package into a different package.